Should your LLC be formed before or after you buy your rental property? I'm about to give you the answer in this video. I'm Ted Sutton, and this is Direct Answers from Corporate Direct. Now, before we get started, please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any general questions about anything. Now, when you hold title to a rental property in an LLC, you're going to need to transfer title into that LLC. This is true whether or not you're a real estate investor or you wholesale real estate. But is it best to have the LLC set up before or after you do it? And in this video, I'm going to tell you the 5 reasons why it's best to have the LLC set up before you transfer title into it. Number 1, it makes your life easier before you buy the property. If you have the LLC already set up, you can make offers to buy rental properties in the name of the LLC. It also makes your life easier during the escrow and the closing process. When you have the LLC already set up, the banks and the title companies know that they're dealing with an LLC. And on top of this, you don't need to make any additional title transfers if the LLC is already set up and ready to go. Number 2, insurance companies need to know that they're dealing with an LLC. When you get an insurance policy for your rental property, they're going to need to know that they're dealing with an LLC. The LLC could be the primary policy holder, or it could also be an additional insured. However, if the insurance company doesn't know that title's held in an LLC, they may deny coverage for any claim that could arise on your property. Number 3, transfer taxes. There are a lot of jurisdictions out there that have a transfer tax where you transfer title from one individual or entity to another individual or entity. Pennsylvania is a common example of this. Pennsylvania's transfer tax is 1% of the sale price, and there's also local transfer taxes that may be an additional 1 to 3% of the sale price. So if you transfer title to a property somewhere in Pennsylvania, you may face a tax of up to 4% of the sale price when you transfer title. And because of these transfer taxes, it's best to have the LLC set up before you buy the rental property. If the seller transfers title to the LLC, you only have to pay 1 transfer tax. However, if the seller transfers title to you as an individual, and then you transfer title into the LLC, you're going to have to face 2 transfer taxes there. So, to avoid an additional transfer tax, it's best to just have the LLC set up from the get-go. Number 4, the LLC's name needs to be on the deed. Now, when you buy a property from someone, the deed shows who the seller was and who the buyer is. And these documents are recorded in the county recorder's office. But because the LLC is holding title to the property, the LLC's name must be on the deed. If the LLC's name is not on the deed, then there could be title issues in the future, and this is something that you don't want to have. If the LLC's name is listed on the deed from the get-go, you're not going to have these title issues. And number 5, people know that they're dealing with an LLC and not you individually. When you have a rental property that's held in an LLC, the property managers know that they're dealing with the LLC, and the tenants also know this as well. And this is really important because the tenants will be writing checks in the name of the LLC, and the property managers will be depositing those checks into the LLC bank account. Because of those 5 reasons, it's best to have your LLC set up before you buy your rental property. I'll see you next time. Hold on, I'm not done yet. If you're looking to start a business, click the link in the description below and schedule a free 15-minute consultation with us. Also, make sure to check out the Corporate Direct website and subscribe to our newsletter, where we'll send you a lot of good information on corporate law amongst other things. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any general questions about anything. I'll see you next time.